They are key components and key ingredients in the recipe of a student mentality. Number one, you need to be disciplined. The future is very expensive, and only those who are courtiers of discipline can inherit the future. I need you to stay motivated. I don't care if you have to listen to me 1,000 times. I need you to stay motivated. I need that motivation to mature into discipline. I need you to be self-aware. So I need you to remember that you are always learning. And I need you to believe in yourself. I need you to see yourself capable, lovable, and unconditionally worthy of your future. Turn your pain into your progress. I need you to see yourself. See yourself. One of the things that many students lack is vision. You want to see yourself before you get there. You have to hear yourself telling yourself thank you. I need you to open up your ears because the you from the future is telling you thank you. Thank you for not giving up when you wanted to give up. Thank you for not being depressed. Thank you for not allowing the brokenness to eat your progress. Thank you. You got this. It's gonna get tough sometimes. I'm telling you right now, it's not gonna be easy, but it's worth it. Maybe you are listening to me right now. You want to lose weight, you are trying to pass the final exams, or maybe they are just these feet that seem as though it is impossible. Turn your pain into progress. I need you to be uncomfortable with the average. I need you to be allergic to average. I need you to come to the end of yourself. So many people are depending on you. A student is hardworking. A student is mentally tough, have the ability to adapt, have a character, consistency, demonstrate courage on the daily. Stay motivated, stay positive, earn your respect, have a winning attitude. Breathe, compete, make no excuses, set goals, practice great habits, stay focused. You want your future. You gotta outwork everybody on that field. You gotta outwork everybody in the room. You gotta learn how to perform under pressure. You gotta leave it all out on the field. Everybody wants the future, but everybody wants to be average. There gonna be times where you feel like you losing your mind, and you study for hours, and you gonna take an exam, and you will not pass. A student is resilient. A student is disciplined. A student is committed. A student is consistent, even when they don't want to be, because the cycle of depression needs to be end with you. The cycle of not enough needs to be end with you. The lack and the dysfunction and the anxiety and all of these things that your family and your father and your mother have gone through. You have to be keep student mentality. I studied and I failed the exam. I studied and I failed the test. And life is an uphill the wall. And it is filled with the test and exam and critical moments where you are going to have to dig deep inside of yourself and ask yourself why. Why did you start in the first place? And what was the emotion, the feeling? What was the science and the psychology behind the decision that you made? And 9 times out of 10, I can tell you why you started. You started because you are hungry. Hunger is the feeling of discomfort or weakness caused by the lack of food, coupled with desire to eat. How hungry are you when you feel like throwing the towel? When you feel like surrendering everything you work for? Remember why you started. Remember how you felt when you started. You are hungry when you want to let go, when you want to surrender, when you want to stop, when you are ready to quit, when you have failed and failed again. Let me remind you what got you here. Hunger got you here. A stronger desire got you here. You are desperate to break curses in your family. You are desperate to break the cycle of poverty and depression. You are desperate. Hunger got you here. Remember this. Every dream requires discipline. You can travel the world and study students and their behaviors and their mindsets. There's a science behind achievement. And when you study the most successful student in the world, we find that they are responsible, they are motivated, they are self-managed, they are self-aware, they are long-lasting student mentality, even after they have passed the test, because they understand that life is a test, and in life there are ups and there are downs, and so accept the responsibility. See yourself as firmly responsible for your outcomes and your experiences. You are going to need discipline. Motivation will help you get started, but discipline is gonna keep you on the road to your destiny. You gotta be self-motivated. You gotta find purpose in what you do by discovering personally meaningful goals and dreams.